Hey everybody, so once you have your account set up and you have placed your order, you can then go into your account and view your food profile, view your weekly order, make changes. So I'm going to do just a quick rundown of everything. So right now I'm in my food profile and this shows my dietary needs, everything that I have previously chosen. My favorite kinds of recipes. I'm gonna update a couple of these because I want to make sure that I'm selecting everything until I've tried some things and decided I don't like them. Grocery preferences. This is way cool. Vegetables, grains, pasta, protein, sauces and dressings, pantry, ready to eat, and sweets. So all these things you can choose from. Sorry if I'm going so fast. I'm trying to just make the video not super long, I should say. All right, scrolling back up to the top. Then I go to my Hungryroot. Now this is where we can change my delivery date, customize the order, and I'm gonna go click on delivery, and I'm gonna customize my order. But first, let's look and see what we're getting. So this week's meal plan, lunch and dinner. There's 4 recipes of this veggie noodles, the sauce, and the meatballs. There's 2 servings of this other pasta, tomato sauce, and chicken sausage. There are 2 servings of this green bowl. There's 2 servings of the market plate with salmon, quinoa rice, and broccoli. I've got some breakfast coming with PB&J strawberry oats, maple pecan oat bar, banana bread overnight oats. Snacks, I've got this 3-bean artichoke salad, original ancient grain granola, Parmesan butternut squash crackers, and pea snaps. You can click on each item and it shows you the ingredients. Select this Parmesan butternut squash crackers. I personally don't like mushrooms, but I'm going to go ahead and try it because it's not actual, like just a mushroom by itself. Like it's been cooked and, you know, ground up and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and try it because I want to try new things. However, these pea snaps, I do not like pea snaps. So I am going to replace. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the pea snaps and replace it because I don't care for that. So I've already actually done it. I went ahead. So basically, we'll pretend we'll go back. We have the pea snaps in here. I'm going to remove it. And then by removing that, that gives me the option to replace it with another vegetable. And I've looked through here, and since it was listed as a snack, I'm going to replace it with something else that's a snack. I decided to go with the Asian salad mix. I mean, there are other things I can change it with, but since it's a vegetable, I'm just going to replace it with another vegetable item. There we go. So now I'm going to go back over here. It's not letting me save it. Maybe I need to add another one. Oh, there we go. Oh, I see. So for each, like go back over here. So this counts for 2. Maybe it's servings, I'm assuming. So since I removed that and this is only a 1, I need to add another 1 to it. So I'm just going to add this twice, or maybe I should add another one somewhere. Let's see what else we've got. I'm just going to add 2 of these. Keep it simple. Okay, so this video is 5 minutes long already, so I'm going to go ahead and save this. So I've updated my list, and then I'm going to go ahead and create a new video so we can walk through more of the items here.